stands the Loggia of the Signoria. Here are housed some of the world's most renowned works of sculpture by such artists as Cellini, Giambologna, Fedi, Bandinelli, and Michelangelo. Florentines call their city Firenze la Bella, which means Florence the Beautiful. The city contains a vast collection of Renaissance paintings, sculpture, and manuscripts. Florentines could well call their city the city of famous men, for in addition to its famous sculptors, the names of many artists, statesmen, and men of letters are connected with its wonderful past. Florence was the home of three of the greatest storytellers and poets of the Middle Ages, Dante, Petrarch, and Boccaccio. The city came under the control of the Medici family in the early 1400s, the famous merchant family which began their fortune by trading in wool. Florence reached its greatest intellectual height under their rule. Lorenzo the Magnificent, as ruler, poet, and patron of art and science, made the city a center of Renaissance culture.